Now, if you look at the website we've built, it's looking beautiful. However, some things need to be changed, which are the final set of things. The first thing is this logo, we need to change it. This button is not clickable. The same thing with this button, it's not clickable, and the remaining buttons are also not clickable. So I'm walking through the step on how to make the buttons clickable and finally how to change the information on this section of the website. The first thing we'll be doing is to go to our WordPress dashboard. So what we'll be doing now, after we are in our dashboard, we'll come over to the appearance, hover over appearance, then bring your mouse to customize, then select customize, right click on it, then click on open link in new tab. Now that we are here, I'm going to scroll down and you can see I have the ability to edit the footer to whatever I want it to be. Now, in most cases, I recommend that you take your mouse to this portion of your, click on the footer builder, then you're going to see the footer settings is going to come up. Basically, what I'm going to change is just this information I have here. I'm going to change it to what I have on my contact page. So let me go back to my contact page. And this is what I have, my address. So I'm going to copy this, come back here, and hover over this part. Then you see this pencil will come up. I'll click on the pencil here, select got it, and I'll highlight from this beginning part down to this place that says USA. And I'm going to delete and paste what I have. I'll come to my contact page, copy my phone number here, and then paste it where I have the place to put in phone number. Automatically, you notice that the information here will be changing. Come back to my contact page, copy the email address, and paste it in where the email is supposed to be. Then we'll click on publish. Don't bother if it has not changed here. Now, if I come back to my contact page and I refresh, notice that the changes have been effected. If I go back to any page and scroll down, you notice that the changes have also been effected. So that's how you change your footer when working on a website using WordPress. The next thing is I'm going to be showing you how I'm going to edit this button or make it clickable. So I'll go back to my customization page, click on the back arrow, click on the back arrow again, then check for menu header. I'll click on it. Under menu header, you can see we have button here. I'll click on button. Then I can put in the link I want the button to take us to after it is clicked. In order for me to edit this button, I'm going to click on this pencil here, and we now have this setup area here. So what I'll do now is to put in the exact link to the platform that this brand is more active on. So the brand is active on WhatsApp. I can put in the WhatsApp link. If it's more active on Instagram, you can put in the Instagram link. So let me put in the Instagram link that I have. Now this is not an accurate link, but ensure that you get an accurate link for the brand you are working for. So click on publish now. If I go back to the site, Let me go to the site and I click on this button. Notice that it takes me to Instagram. Now, like I said, this is not an active link, so it may not take you to any active Instagram page that has the name Calvin Brands. But make sure you get the accurate link to the platform of the brand you are working on, whether Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, or whatever platform. Now you can see we have made changes to the footer, we've made changes to the button. The next change we'll be making is to this icon, or call it the logo. To do that, we'll go back again, and when you are here, click on the header builder, then click on the customize transparent header. Now, this header is a transparent header. What this means is that the logo is on a transparent header. Now, click on customize transparent header, and you can see the logo here. This is the logo, and this is also the logo. So I'm going to import a new set of logo here. And the next thing we'll do, we'll click on change image, upload files, select files, and we'll bring in a white logo. Do all this that I've taught you on. Click choose image. While it's still loading, scroll down, change image, bring in this, choose image. Now our logo has been changed successfully. I can even scroll down and decide to increase the size or reduce it. But I think I'm fine with size 60. But then if I come over to the tablet view here, you notice that you have the black color of the previous logo. So we'll click on this pencil here, this second pencil here, we'll click on it and go back to change logo, upload files, select files, and we'll bring in this one. What this means is that on the tablet view, we have the black logo, and on the desktop view, we have the white logo. So you can decide to resize this a bit so that it's going to contain every part of my logo, and then I'll click on crop image. So you can see it has changed. So I'll scroll down, click on change image, and bring in the cropped version already. Change image and bring in this cropped version. And basically just import this name. Then click on choose image. I think I should disable this because I don't like the way this logo is looking. So I'm going to disable this different logo for Retina devices. I'll disable it. Then try to reduce this a bit. Now if I come over to the mobile phone view, you can see the size is a bit bigger. So I'll scroll down and reduce the size too. So I think I can leave it at 35. Then I can hide this builder or hide builder. Click on hide builder to see what it's going to look like on the mobile device. And I think we're good to go. Now let me click on this part. Let me click on this menu bar. You notice that my button is not here. However, my button is on the desktop view. So this is to say that I have to come and put in a button for the tablet view and also for the mobile view, and it's pretty easy. So what we'll just do is I'll come back to the tablet view for ease, since the tablet view is a bit bigger. Then come to this part, click on it, then hover over this part and click on this pencil here. When I click on the pencil here, I'll take my mouse to this point and click on show builder. Now the way it works is, on this part that has my menu, this is where the settings is. It contains the primary menu. This primary menu, they are here. Then my site title and logo, this is it here. Then the toggle button, this is called the toggle button. So what I want to do now is that I want to add a button on under this primary menu. So what I'll do is that I'll come and click on this off canvas. I'll click on off canvas. Inside it, I'll click inside it where this plus appeared. I'll click on it and then click button. Now if I go and click on this part, you see that we now have this button here. So what I'll now do is hover over the button and click on this pencil.